Hello and welcome all. So today's topic is operation on large numbers, subtraction. So without wasting your time, let's start, and please watch the video till the end because in this vlog I'll explain you terms related to subtraction as well as I'll take few examples. So in a subtraction, what are the three terms? First is minuend. What is minuend? So the bigger number from which we subtract the smaller number is called the minuend. Second term is subtrahend. What is subtrahend? The smaller number which is subtracted from the bigger number is called the subtrahend. An answer that is coming after subtracting two numbers is called the difference. Okay. Now let's take few examples. Now example number 1 is subtract 2736,879 from 5342,568. From second number means 5342,568. This is a bigger number. So from this bigger number we have to subtract the smaller number, that is 2736,879. As I have explained you in my earlier vlogs, always write first number in first line. So here as we are subtracting, we'll write the bigger number in first line, that is 5342,568, and second number, that is smaller one, in the second line. Then we'll do the division like ones, tens, 100. So always check the corner number or the number that is coming on right hand side. So here in these two numbers 8 and 9 are coming on right hand side, means they are corner numbers. So make the division ones, means they signify ones place, and after that comes tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. And remember, write the number, for example 9 and 8 signify ones place, so write the number below ones place. Okay. Then we'll subtract. Now 8 is smaller and 9 is bigger number, so we have to borrow one number from the neighbor that is present on the left hand side. So in this case 6 is the neighbor of 8. I am talking about bigger number here. Okay. So just borrow 1 from 6, so it becomes 18. Okay. As we can see 18 is circled. Okay. So 18 minus 9 will get 9. Okay. Then as 6 has given 1 to 8, what is remaining here? 5 is remaining here, and 5 is smaller and 7 is bigger. So what 5 will do? 5 will borrow one number from its neighbor that is present on the left hand side. So 5 is the neighbor. So when 5 gives 1 to 5, it will become 15. So 15 minus 7 comes out 8. Okay. Are you understanding? Okay. Then third at 100 place, what is remaining? 4 is remaining. So 4 is smaller and 8 is bigger. So again 4 will borrow one number from its neighbor, that is 2. So it will comes out 14. So 14 minus 8 will get 6. In the same way the number keeps on borrowing from its neighbor. Okay. And then we'll subtract. Now after that 2 has given 1 to 5. So what is remaining? 1 is remaining. 1 is small and 6 is bigger. So in the same way 1 will borrow one number from its neighbor, that is from 4. So after borrowing it will become 11. So 11 minus 6 comes out 5. Okay. Now as 4 has given 1, so 3 is remaining here. So 3 will again borrow one number from its neighbor, that is from 3. So it will comes out, sorry, here is a slight change, 3 minus 3 will get 0. Okay. Here this number don't have to carry any number from its neighbor. Okay. Then here 3 is coming. I am talking about lakhs place. Okay. We all can see 3 is present here. So 3 is small and 7 is bigger. So 3 will again borrow 1 from its neighbor, that is from 5. So here comes out 13. 13 minus 7 comes out 6. Now what is remaining at last, that is at 10 lakh place? 4 is remaining. So 4 is bigger and 2 is smaller, and we can always subtract smaller number from bigger number. Okay. So 4 minus 2 comes out 2. So this is the difference, 2605689. This is the difference that we will get after subtracting bigger number from a smaller number. Now let's take the second example. Find the difference between 26879,354 and 634,571 4, 8. So as always, first write the bigger number in the first line, the smaller number in the second line, and make the division like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And after that start subtracting. So at ones place 8 is bigger, 4 is smaller, so we can easily subtract. 8 minus 4 comes out 4. Now at tens place 4 is smaller and 5 is bigger, so 4 will borrow 1 from the neighbor, that is from the 1. So after borrowing it comes out 14. 14 minus 5 comes out 9. As 1 has given itself to the neighbor, so 0 is remaining here. So what it will do, it will again borrow 1 from its neighbor, that is 7. So it comes out 10. So 10 minus 3 comes out 3. So what is remaining after giving 1? 6 is remaining. 6 is smaller and 9 is bigger. So 6 will again borrow 1 number from its neighbor, that is from 5. So it comes out 16. 16 minus 9 comes out 7. Okay, now comes 10,000 place. So here 4 is remaining after giving 1. So 4 will again borrow 1 number from its neighbor, that is from lakhs position, and it will come out 14. 14 minus 7 will get 7. Now what is remaining at lakhs place? 3, and 3 is smaller, 8 is bigger. So 3 will borrow 1 from 10 lakh position, so it comes out 13. 13 minus 8 comes out 5. Okay, now at 10 lakhs place 2 is remaining, because it has given its 1 to the neighbor, that is to the lakhs place. So it will again borrow 1 from its neighbor, that is from crore place. So it comes out 12. So 12 minus 6 comes out 6. Then at last crore position is left. Now what is remaining after giving 1 to its neighbor? 5 is remaining, and we all know 5 is bigger and 2 is smaller. So we can easily subtract this. 5 minus 2 comes out 3. So this is the difference that we'll get after subtracting bigger number from a smaller number. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it, and if so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.